The conditional formatting icon is used to format the cells based on certain criteria. Say, you want to highlight all the cells in this worksheet which have figures less than 900 with a different color. This would enable you to know at a glance on which dates the sales have been poor. Select all the cells containing the figures. Then click Conditional Formatting. From the options displayed, select Highlight Cell Rules, Less Than. In the Less Than window, enter 900 in the left box, and in the right box, select a suitable option from the ones displayed. Click OK. Now, click outside the selected cells. You can see that all cells having figures less than 900 are highlighted in the specified colors. There are various other applications of conditional formatting. For example, the top or bottom rules option can be used to highlight the highest and lowest values in a range, and the data bars option can be used to display bars according to the data. There are other options too. Do explore them. The Format as Table icon is used to quickly format a range of cells and convert it into a table by choosing a predefined table style. Let's create a table using the data in this worksheet. Select the cells containing data in rows 2 to 22, and in the Styles group, select Format as Table. Then, select a table style from the displayed gallery. In the pop-up window, confirm the cell range for the table. Since the columns have headings, ensure the table has headers box is checked. Click OK. Your data now appears as a table with small arrow buttons next to the column headings. Click outside the table. When data is organized as a table, you can sort and filter it very easily. For example, you may wish to sort the students in a descending order of the marks scored. Click the arrow next to the marks heading. In the displayed menu, select Sort Largest to Smallest. Here you are. The student scoring the highest marks is displayed at the top of the list, while the one with the lowest marks is displayed at the bottom. We will learn more about sorting and filtering data in a short while. The Cell Styles icon is used to quickly format a cell by choosing from predefined styles. A cell style is a defined set of formatting characteristics such as fonts and font sizes, number formats, cell borders, and cell shading. Say you want to format the column headings using a predefined style. First, select the cells and click Cell Styles. Click a style from the displayed gallery. Your cells now have the selected style applied. Because you applied a cell style, you did not need to separately change the font color and then apply cell shading.